Expensify versus Zoho. Which business tool is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which business tool is better among Expensify and Zoho. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Expensify. Expensify offers an intuitive and easy to navigate platform. Features automated receipt scanning and expense tracking, integrates seamlessly with various accounting platforms, provides a robust mobile app for on the go expense management, offers competitive pricing plans suitable for small to medium sized businesses. Somehow, it lacks some advanced features needed by large enterprises. Mixed reviews on the responsiveness and quality of customer support. Initial setup and configuration can be complex for some users. Now, let's come towards Zoho. Zoho offers a wide range of business tools, including CRM, invoicing, and project management. Highly customizable to fit various business needs. Provides affordable pricing plans, especially for small businesses. Integrates well with other Zoho products and third party applications. Known for its user friendly interface and ease of use. May face scalability issues for very large enterprises. Some users report inconsistent customer support experiences. A slight learning curve for users new to the Zoho ecosystem. Choosing between Expensify and Zoho in 2024 depends on your specific business needs and preferences. Expensify excels in expense management with its user-friendly interface and mobile accessibility, ideal for small to medium-sized businesses. Zoho offers a comprehensive suite of business tools and customization options, making it suitable for businesses looking for an integrated solution. Consider your business size, budget, and required features to determine which tool aligns best with your business goals. That's all for this video.